Hey guys, it's Stephanie here with TheFlowerFanatic. I'm so excited to show you how to wax Amaryllis bulbs. What's awesome about waxing your Amaryllis bulbs is you don't have to water them. And so I thought it'd be a perfect gift to give to some of my neighbors for Christmas. Super easy. I bought these containers at Walmart. I'm gonna take it out of the dirt. So they just need to be soaked for about 6 to 8 hours. You wanna make sure you don't soak the top of it because that can cause them to get disease and die. So I'm gonna grab them. I got a pot here to soak them in. I'm just gonna set them in there. Perfect. It's about halfway covered in that water. These were $5. Uh-oh, you don't want the cardboard to go in there. And you wanna make sure when you buy them, they have green and they look alive. There were a few that looked a little bit on the dead side, so. Your local stores normally have them around Christmas time. So you should be able to find them. And this is way cheaper than buying waxed ones, which will run you about $20. I can do these for about 10, so about half. Okay, you see all those roots? You just want to soak all those roots. I'm going to put them in the water. And I recommend a flat dish. If you have a round bowl, they'll just kind of fall over and the tops will get all immersed. And you don't want that happening. All right, I got my Amaryllis bulbs out of my soaking pot. And now they've been drying for about 2 hours. They're a little bit damp, but enough dry that the wax will adhere to it. The first thing you want to do, so I have an example here, is, I know it's really hard to believe. When I first heard this, I thought they were kidding, but you cut off the bottom of the roots. And when you cut off the bottom of the roots, you want to make sure it's flat so it can sit up nicely. If it's not flat, it will just fall over. So simple, let's get going. Just gonna take that bottom, make sure I get cut out on a flat surface. There we go. This part is super fun. It's easy and fun. Okay, 3 of them. Man, it almost cuts like butter. Oh, that one needs to go a little bit deeper. Okay. Last but not least, the one with the most roots. Okay, that was way fun. The next step I'm gonna do now that I've got my surface cleaned up is melt some wax. So I couldn't find any candlesticks. You can melt whatever candles you have, any cheap tea sticks, anything, but I'm using paraffin wax, which is actually in the baking area. And I'm laughing so hard because it's talking about all the uses for this. You can coat the inside of garbage cans with melted gold wax to prevent rusting, sticking of contents, and enable easier cleaning. There's 8 ways you can use this on here, and the last one is for candles. So I thought it was funny. Seriously though, if any of you guys use this for those things, I would love to hear about it. So I'm gonna get it in a double boiler. You wanna make sure you use a double boiler. Otherwise, you can burn your kitchen down if you put it directly in a pot because it's very flammable. I'm gonna get it melting over there. I have some wax paper to put my Amaryllis on after I dip them so they can come off nicely. All right, let's get them melted. Okay, I'm finished decorating them. I can't wait to give them to my neighbors. I decided to keep 3 of them because I want to hang them upside down above my kitchen sink on a wire rack. I think that's going to be beautiful. I actually used the original containers and covered this one with some Scotch moss. It was super fun. If you like this video, or if you think it would be fun to get a gift like this, comment down below, consider subscribing, give me a thumbs up, and Happy holidays. We'll talk to you later. Can't wait to see you in my next videos.